The Ninja DZ201 is celebrated for its innovative DualZone technology, which allows users to cook two different foods simultaneously using independent temperature and timing settings. This feature is especially useful for families or individuals who value efficiency in meal preparation. Its 6 cooking functions, air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, make it a versatile tool for various culinary needs. The large 8-quart capacity accommodates family-sized meals, while its sleek digital interface ensures ease of use. However, its relatively high price and large size may deter those with smaller kitchens or tighter budgets. Additionally, while the baskets are dishwasher safe, maintaining the non-stick coating requires care. The COSORI Smart 12-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, on the other hand, takes versatility to the next level. However, the sheer number of features may overwhelm users looking for simplicity, and its slower preheating times and bulky footprint may present challenges for some. With 12 cooking functions, including baking, toasting, and roasting, it surpasses the Ninja in functionality. Smart features, such as app control and voice assistant integration, appeal to tech-savvy users. Its generous capacity easily handles larger meals, making it ideal for families. However, the sheer number of features may overwhelm users looking for simplicity, and its slower preheating times and bulky footprint may present challenges for some. For those seeking innovation in a compact package, the Instant Vortex Plus 6 QD ClearCook Air Fryer offers unique features like the ClearCook window, which lets users monitor food without opening the basket. Its even crisp technology ensures a perfect crispy finish, and its smaller footprint makes it a good fit for kitchens with limited counter space. Priced lower than the Ninja, it delivers excellent value. However, its 6-quart capacity may not suffice for larger families, and its 6 cooking modes, while versatile, do not match the extensive range offered by the COSORI. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Plus Convection Toaster Oven combines air frying with the versatility of a toaster oven, making it a multi-purpose appliance. Its stainless steel design complements modern kitchens, and its durability ensures long-lasting performance. The spacious interior is perfect for larger meals. But its manual controls require a learning curve, and its air frying performance lags behind more specialized models like the Ninja and Instant Vortex. Additionally, its price point aligns with the Ninja, making it a considerable investment. Ultimately, the Ninja DZ201 excels for those prioritizing dual cooking zones and family-sized meals, while the COSORI offers unmatched versatility for tech enthusiasts. The Instant Vortex strikes a balance between affordability and innovation, and the Cuisinart caters to those seeking a durable, multifunctional appliance. The best choice will depend on your individual cooking needs, kitchen space, and budget.